Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Bon Sitoy of GoRealty.ph. Today, let me show you one of our listing here in Santa Rosa City of Laguna. But before that, alam nyo ba na napakarami ng schools and universities kung saan natin pwede i-enroll yung mga kids natin? Tulad ng UST, University of Santo Tomas, Miriam College, De La Salle University, AUP, and also University of the East. Mag-i-start na sila ng construction dito sa Eton City. Bakit ko nga ba naising ito? As a parents like you guys, number one priority pa rin natin yung ating kids education. So guys, hindi ko na to papatagalin. Welcome to Laguna Bel Air 4. Kung nakikita niyo yung house behind me, that is our new listing, and it is a 121 square meter lot area and 150 square meter floor area approximately. So tara, silipin na natin to. So guys, any question, clarification, or schedule for viewing, please contact me here and we are more than happy to assist you.